I am Ignatova Veronica, KN-307 student, and I completed a project on the topic building a 3D model ZD-917 soldering station. The DOS ZD-917 soldering station is a high-performance and multifunctional station for electronic products research, production, and rework. The soldering iron and the desoldering gun tool of the soldering station are automatically controlled by two microprocessors. The digitals control electronic high-quality sensor and heat exchange system guarantee price temperature control at the desoldering tip. The highest degree of temperature precision and optimal dynamic thermal behavior under local condition is obtained by the quick and accurate recording of the measured values in a closed control circuit. This design is specially for the lead-free production techniques. The high power and slim design of the iron made a great choice for fine soldering work. The sensor of the soldering tip can control the soldering temperature quickly and accurately, and the heating element is made of PTS. This iron gun is applicable for fine soldering work due to its high power and the gun type design. The heating element is made of PTS and the sensor of the soldering tip is able to quickly and accurately control the soldering temperature. During this work was created the station itself, its ZD-917 main unit. Also was created ZD-415 soldering iron with N41 tip, bolts and buttons. After this, all the elements were fastened in one model. A panel was also created to display temperature information. The buttons under this panel are used to raise, lower, and set the temperature. In the back of ZD-917 main unit, you can see a C connector fuse ICE indicator, and you can use it to connect your station to the electricity. Also was created connectors for desoldering and soldering iron.